Hi guys, so what we have here with us today is another keyboard from Redragon. This is the Redragon Alcor K717 Pro. This is a 60% layout keyboard with 61 keys. This uses the custom Dragon Chant linear switches, and Redragon mentions that this is more on the creamy side profile of your typing experience, and we will see it later in our typing test. And it has RGB lighting with 3 types of connectivity. You have your wired, your dongle, and Bluetooth. This keyboard is specifically targeted to those FPS gamers where you need or you want to have a smaller keyboard so your mouse would not always bump to your keyboard. So this is the keyboard for you. And it can also cater for all of you out there who wanted to have a travel keyboard, since this one is a 60% layout keyboard and it's not that heavy and it doesn't take that much space in your luggage when traveling. So now let's go ahead and unbox this keyboard. So this is a very small type of keyboard compared to all our keyboards, the rest of our keyboard that we have over here. So once we open the box, we have the keyboard in itself and some paperwork. So the color combination of the keyboard is quite nice. I like it. So blue and white. And we also have our dongle at the back right over here. So we can easily remove it and use it and tuck it away if it's not in use. So we have our switch over here to choose for usage between Mac and Windows. And you also have your connectivity here for your Bluetooth, your wired, and your 2.4 dongle, which is right over here. So again, this is the keyboard, the Alcor K717 Pro. And what else do we have in the box? We also have our keycap puller, our cable, USB-C to USB cable, and some extra custom Dragon Chant switch linear switches. So we have 4 extra switches right over here. So like what they said, this is more on the creamy typing profile. So you cannot hear much of it right here, but we will do a typing test in a while. Okay, so that is all that is in the box of our K717 Pro keyboard. So I would say that this is really a quite small keyboard. So quite smaller than what I am used to. I'm more on the 75 to 80% layout keyboard guy. But yeah, I think this one for a travel keyboard, this one would be very nice. So let's go ahead and do a typing test on this keyboard. So, what do you guys think about the Alcor K717 Pro from Redragon? Well, I would say that it is a very nice looking 60% layout keyboard. And for those of you guys out there who are FPS gamers, well, I think this one would be very nice because it occupies a little bit of space in your setup. And because of its small form factor, you can play with it whatever position you'd like. Horizontal, diagonal, vertical, depending on your playstyle. The sound profile of this keyboard is also quite nice. It's a linear switch, but it's not that soft or it's not that quiet. And it is in the creamy side profile of the typing experience. And I really like that. Another cool feature of this keyboard is that actually this is a QMK compatible keyboard, meaning you can use the QMK software in order to fully program the keyboard itself. QMK, standing for Quantum Mechanical Keyboards, lets you program each and every keys, the backlights, and everything about this keyboard, creating your own profile or your own flavor of keyboard depending on your playstyle. If you guys are interested in the Alcor K717 Pro keyboard from Redragon, I will leave the link in the description below. I will also leave the link of the website for the Quantum Mechanical keyboards down in the description below if ever you are interested in programming your own profile in this keyboard. So thank you guys for joining us today for another keyboard unboxing and review. And maybe you want to check out more of our videos up here and up here, or maybe subscribe to our channel right over here. And I will see you in the next one. Bye!